Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can resize an element in Canva without adjusting the aspect ratio. So for example, I do have this square template and there is a mockup of a phone and I want to put something on this phone. I want to put a mockup screen. I want to put a picture, but a lot of pictures that we have on the stock library are actually horizontal pictures. They are not vertical pictures that we often see in Instagram or TikTok or WhatsApp. So for example, if I insert this picture, as you can see, this is the dimension that is not going to fit into this one. So how do you actually make it fit into a completely different aspect ratio? Well, you could resize and then crop the image. So first, I'm going to make this image slightly bigger, maybe around this big. And after that, I'm going to crop this image. So you see this point on the side that there are 4 different points, and if you click on it and then you can drag it to the left or to the right, it will crop the image. So I'm going to put it here, and I will also do the same for the other side, and I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to apply some corner rounding a little bit so it will match the look of the phone. And yeah, this is the result. I think it looks really great. So you can actually do this on pretty much any element. You could do this on videos, for example. The process is the same. If I insert this video, I could resize. So the 4 points right here are responsible for resizing. You can click and then drag it anywhere, while this point that is on the sides, it is for cropping the image. So again, the same is true for other elements like maybe graphics. Except graphics cannot be cropped, you can only resize it. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But for frames, as far as I know, frames and shapes, you could do that. So if I insert this shape, as you can see, the same is true. I can change a lot of things. I can change the size, I can crop this shape as well. So yeah, that's essentially how you can resize elements in Canva without adjusting the aspect ratio. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.